The sun is just going down. Let's see if we put on some infrared. Let's see what happens. A little faint. Okay. Let's turn up the setting a little bit. Securing filter. Oh yeah. I turned up the brightness. Look at the destroyer, look at Wormwood. Look at that. Neighbor just pulled in, he knows all about this big bitch. What's up, Patrick? Videotaping the big bitch coming in. Oh, what a crystal clear shot. Looks like it's probably about the 1245 position. And it looks like it's increased in size. It almost looks like it's damn near almost the size of the sun now. This thing is fucking huge. God damn, that thing is fucking huge. We're in for it. Sorry, I'm shaky. It is cold. There you are, everybody. Holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna go warm up. Last video of the night. There he is. There's Nibiru.